Borderlands 4 coming out here soon. I got a box. So to start off, if you can see here, which I hope you can because that's sick. Imagine I forgot to press record. I should probably go check that. Do these fold out into, oh my gosh. That's actually sick. Cat's out the bag, or should I say, skag's out the bag.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
This is the spitter skag. You can see it's got like these little spines right here. And the fur, it's like sequins almost. It's like sequins. Whoa. Honestly, I thought they were gonna be a good bit bigger, but I got these on sale. I mean, the original price was $35.